Hi, this is Kabir, and today I will talk about Google Photos Misidentification, case of failure of ethical AI in business. There are other cases like IBM, Salesforce, and Amazon in my book Responsible AI, Building Ethical Business Practices and Investment Approach, which is available on Amazon. Let's get back to the Google Photos Misidentification case study. It occurred back in 2015. That is a critical example of the ethical challenges in AI-powered image recognition systems. It exposed a systemic flaw in the technology's design, testing, and deployment. What happened at that time? A user discovered that Google Photos image recognition feature had tagged photos of black individuals with the term gorillas. The issue highlighted significant biases in the AI's training, data, and algorithm, leading to widespread criticism of the technology and its ethical implications. What was the root cause? Biased training data. The AI model was trained on datasets that were insufficiently diverse, leading to poor performance in identifying darker skin tones and other underrepresented demographics. Inadequate testing. The system was not thoroughly tested for edge cases involving racial and ethnic diversity. What was the ethical failures? Bias and discrimination section issue. The algorithms. Failure to accurately recognize black individuals reflected racial bias embedded in the training data and model. Section. Consequence. Such reinforce harmful stereotypes and cause emotional distress to affected individuals. Lack of diversity in data section. Issue. The training dataset primarily consisted of images from racially homogeneous groups, underrepresenting people of color. Section. Consequence. The AI system performed well for some groups, but poorly for others, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Insufficient testing section. Issue. Google's pre-deployment testing processes did not adequately consider the potential for offensive misclassifications. Section. Consequence. The lack of rigorous testing for diverse scenarios allowed the issue to go undetected until it reached users. Transparency and accountability section. Issue. Google's initial response lacked sufficient clarity about how the issue occurred and what steps would be taken to prevent future problems. Section. Consequence. This undermined user trust in Google's AI systems. What was Google's response? Google apologized for the error and pledged to improve its AI systems to prevent similar incidents. The company manually blocked the algorithm from tagging images as gorillas, essentially disabling this category rather than solving the underlying bias issue. Google committed to enhancing diversity in its datasets and improving fairness in its AI systems through stricter testing and model improvements. What are key lessons learned from this case? Addressing bias in AI section challenge. AI systems often reflect societal biases present in their training data. Section solution. Developers must prioritize diverse and representative datasets to ensure fair performance across demographics. Rigorous testing for inclusivity. Section challenge. Lack of thorough testing can lead to offensive or harmful outcomes in production. Section solution. Conduct exhaustive testing across diverse groups and edge cases before deploying AI systems. Human oversight section challenge. Fully automating decisions in sensitive applications increases the risk of ethical failures. Section solution. Implement human-in-the-loop processes to review AI outputs, especially in sensitive areas like labeling. Transparency and accountability section challenge. Organizations must be transparent about how AI systems work and take responsibility for failures. Section solution. Communicate openly about issues, corrective actions, and long-term strategies to rebuild trust. Long-term solutions over short-term fixes. Section challenge. Quick fixes like disabling features fail to address systemic flaws. Section solution. Invest in ongoing research and development to create fundamentally fairer AI systems. What are the ethical implications? The Google Photos misidentification case underscores the need for ethical vigilance in AI development. Missteps like these can cause harm to individuals and communities by perpetuating stereotypes and biases, undermine public trust in AI systems, highlight systemic issues in data collection, model training, and testing processes.